Okay, so before we start setting up our references in Maya, so let's first set up our UI so that we see the same UI arrangements or layout. So first off, I'll just go here at the general or the workspace, which is set to general. I'll just go down to modeling standard. Okay, if this is the first time you're doing this, you can try resetting your current workspace and then go to modeling standard, and then that's it. Next, let's tap spacebar, and then I'll just start setting up my reference. But first, also before doing that, make sure that you have organized your references. So meaning you have them separated by views. You have your top view, front view, side view, etc. And you have them in your own folder or in a separate folder. Okay? That is within your subject or project folder. So that all I need to do is I'll just select this. I'll just copy the address. After I copy the address, I'll just start from here. Front view. I'll go to view. I'll import the image by image plane, import image, and then I will just paste here in the dialog box. I can paste here the address, press enter, I'll be directed to the address. Since this is the front view, I'll choose front, and then I'll just go open. Right? Pressing F to zoom in or to focus on selected. Next thing, I will just double check if this is the front view, where is it facing? So there's the front, and if I turn this to the right, so the side view is this, the right side view, and it should be facing towards the left. Okay, so that's the direction, so that I know which side view I will be importing. So I'll go to view, image plane, import image, once again paste the address, and let's check the side view. Which side view is looking towards the left? This one. Okay, I'll open, and it glitches onto a different image. I'll just select this, and then I'll go to my attributes, and in the attributes I'll go down here to display, click look through selected camera or looking through camera, go back to the in all views, and is it following? Let's double check. I'll click the folder once more and then paste a location just to be sure, and then I'll click the side, opening it there. So now it is looking front, so the front is looking the same as the side. Next is the top view. Excuse me. So the top view, I'll just go to view, image plane, import image. I'll go to my top view reference, open, and there we have it. So there is the barrel of the top view going to that direction, and then same with the side view and the front view. Now let's use the move tool. I'll press W, and then I'll just push them on their opposite or to their opposite direction. For example, the front, instead of going forward, it will go backward. The top, instead of going up, it will go bottom. And then the right side view is going towards the left direction. There. So there will be a space for modeling at the center. Okay, so the next is the other view. So I'll just go here at the front, go to my panels, orthographic. I'll create a new view, new, and then I'll choose back. I'll click that, and then there's the back view ready now. So it is a camera. I'll just Control H to hide those cameras so we will not be selecting them. And then I'll go to my view, image plane, import image, and then I'll choose the back view, of course. Open. If the back view is not showing immediately, you can click at the empty area, click at it again, and then go back here in your channel box, and in the channel box you will see the translate of the back view. Set that value to 0, enter, close. So again, there's your back view. I will drag it forward to its opposite direction. So next is I'll just add the bottom view. So I'll go to panels, orthographic, go for the top. Oops, sorry, panels, orthographic, go for the bottom by pressing new, bottom, and then I'll go to view, image plane, import image, choose the bottom view, open. There it is. Again, there is no bottom view showing in the middle here. I'll go to my channel box, add 0 on the y-axis, there it is, and then drag it up to its to its opposite direction. Now the space is there again for the center. So the next is I will just create an opposite for the right side view. So that's the right. So to create an opposite for it, I will need the left. Okay, so I'll create here in panels. So here at the side view, I'll create panels, orthographic, and then new, I'll choose left. Clicking that, I'll go to my view, image plane, import image, and then I'll go to my other side or this side. That's the one with the hole there. Pressing F, focus on selected, and then in the perspective, it's not appearing again. So what I will do is I'll have it selected, and then I'll go to my channel box, and I'll type in 0 there, and then I will drag it towards its opposite direction, which is the right side, and there we go. So next is I'll just organize the scene a bit. I'll select the cameras and have them hidden, Control H, and then I'll select each of the view and have them named font, and then I'll name this side. This is going to be the right side or R side, and then this is going to be the top, then this one is the back, and this one is the bottom, and this is the L side. After that, I will save the scene. I'll go to my desktop. Let's say I'll save it here in my desktop. I can paste the location, go up one folder, and oops, going back, desktop, there in my modeling subject. I can overwrite, save yes, and there it is. Now that I have saved this, I will just add an object at the center just to double check. So the object cannot see, orthographic side. I cannot see the object properly because the references are blocking it. I can reset this, right? It still cannot see. So what I will do is I'll just select this object and then I'll choose attributes. So while selecting the object, pressing Q, select, I'll click the display, look through the camera. So that means that's the front view, it should be to the front camera. This one is the bottom view, so when I click look through, it should be at the bottom camera. This is the right side, so I will go here, look through. This is the side by default. This is the left side, or the L side. I'll look here and looking through camera, and it goes to the left. And then here, the back, so it's at the back. And here, the top, it's at the top. So now, in the perspective, I do not see any references, but in the Sorry, in the orthographic views, I can see the references. I'll save that. I'll delete this sample object. So the next thing that I will do now is I will save this, Control S, and then I'll do a file, save scene as. I will do a backup. Still, here on the same folder, I'll just choose backups and I'll choose reference setup just to overwrite. Oh, there it is. Here. Save that. Yes, and then now I have this. So that's how you set up your reference in Maya.